Hi students, today I come in front of you to explain about our course plan. Last time it went well. This time also we are intending to follow the same pattern. In fact, we started with thinkers and quite extensively taken thinkers, and then we were trying to connect all of the topics, all of the portions with the thinkers. That means every part or every portion that you learn is being connected with the thinkers portion, like that we have taken. And also in paper 1, we have tried to extensively read Harlembus. Line by line we have read. We have taken extensive and strenuous effort to make you understand. Make you understand was the main idea. Rather than purchasing a note from the open market, you should learn. You should know sociology. Even if a question comes which is not familiar for you, you should be able to guess certain things. Like that we have taken. The courses are available online and offline. For online students, we are giving 3 lectures or 2 lectures as free. Maybe you can see that, or you can watch that. If you are interested, join with us. I am definite that you will not be disappointed, because the effort that we have taken, if it is coming to you, I am very sure that it will be helpful for you to crack the service. So watch our videos and get back to us. Thank you.